Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode from the Testing Your Strategy series, a series where I show and test different trading strategies suggested by you. My name is ATP and in this video I will reveal to you another unique trading strategy that works on several different markets and time frames. And no, this is not clickbait. Throughout this video I will showcase the indicators you need to use with the right settings. I will define every rule for entries, exits and risk management, and after that I will perform a backtest on more than 30 assets so I can show you all the real and proven results of this strategy. Before we jump into this strategy, I just want to make a quick shout out to my Discord member Jay for suggesting this strategy that comes from this video from the Trade Smart channel. So thank you for supporting the channel and congratulations Jay, you are winning a month of free access to my Patreon tier 1, which will give you the opportunity to pick for free a trading bot from this list that you can find in my Patreon or in the video description. Tag me on Discord to claim your prize. If any of you are wondering how to grab this opportunity for yourself, it is quite simple. You just have to share with me a strategy that you would like to see tested on my channel. And if I pick it up and use it to create a video like this one, you will have your free access to one of my strategies. You can do that in the comments down below or in the video ideas channel from my free Discord community. In my Discord, I guarantee you will learn more about trading. You will discover different ways of making money, either in active or passive ways, and you will have all the support of more than 1000 members, and all of this is absolutely free, so don't miss out. All the access links are in the description. Now let's get down to business. So, as usual, this strategy will be analyzed and tested on TradingView, which is by far the best free platform you can use to backtest and trade. Not only due to all the free materials it can give you, but also due to its automation functions. And if you would like to get more data, more tools and more trading power, you can try one of their premium plans, and by using my special TradingView link you can get $30 free to use when getting your plan. So first of all, let's see which indicators you will need to have on your charts to apply this strategy for yourself. For that, let's add to the Indicators tab, click on it, and now let's perform our search. The first indicator I will pick is the CCI or Commodity Channel Index, and you can pick this one from TradingView. Next, let's search for the RSI, and let's again pick this one, also provided by TradingView. Lastly, you will need to insert the KC or Keltner Channel Indicator, but not this one, because there is a more efficient one that will make all the difference in this strategy, which is a custom Keltner channel. As you can see, the only indicator that exists with this name is this one that was created by me. But don't be sad, because I have shared the code of this indicator. To access it, you just have to join my Discord community, head over to the free materials channel, and there you will find the code of this custom Keltner channel. Open up this note, copy the code, and then on the TradingView charts, click on the Pine editor, then on Open, New Indicator, and then just paste the code and save it. After that, just click on the Add to Chart and you will have this custom Keltner channel working and with the right settings. If you like this free indicator, don't forget to show me your support by subscribing and clicking on the like button. Now, regarding the settings. As I told you, the custom Keltner channel already has the right settings, which are 140 for the length, and 1 for the multiplier. Then on the CCI you will need to change the length to 7 and the source to close. Then on the style section, let's turn off the smoothing line because we won't need it, change the value of the upper band to 35 and its color to green, and the value of the lower band to -35 and its color to red. Also, you can change the color of the middle line to white because you will need to see it properly. And regarding the RSI indicator, you will need to change the length to 70, and on the style section, let's turn off the moving average and the RSI middle line. And lastly, let's change the upper band value to 60 and its color to green, and then the lower band value to 40 and its color to red. These are the exact settings from the strategy suggested by my subscriber. I didn't perform any type of optimizations. And let me clarify that these settings were not chosen by me. So, of course, that any of you can and should optimize them to try to achieve better results. But I will talk about that and show you how you can do it in the best and fastest way possible later on this video, because now it's time to show you how to properly apply this system. With this strategy, you can either open long or short positions. For a valid long position, first of all, the price has to break and close below the lower band of the custom Keltner channel, so in this case, this green line. Then you can only take that long position if the other two indicators confirm the signal. The CCI line needs to be under the level 35, so in this case below this green line, and the RSI needs to be under the level 60, which is also, in this case, below the green line. If all these conditions are met, you can open a long position at the close of the signal candle, which is the same as the opening of the next candle. Then you will close the position once the CCI line crosses and closes above the zero line, therefore only if it is a crossover from bottom to top. And for a valid short position, first of all, the price has to break and close above the upper band of the custom Keltner channel, so in this case, this red line. Then you can only take that short position if the other two indicators confirm the signal. The CCI line needs to be above the level minus 35, so in this case, above this red line, and the RSI needs to be above the level 40, which is also above the red line. If all these conditions are met, you can open a short position at the close of the signal candle, which is the same as the opening of the next one. Then you will close the position once the CCI line crosses and closes below the zero line, therefore only if it is a cross under from top to bottom. For risk management, although this strategy doesn't use any, because the exit signals appear very fast, I advise you to always protect your trades with at least a stop loss. And for that, I will insert an extra indicator on my charts, which is the average true range indicator, the best one that you can use to adjust your stop losses to different market volatility. So I will calculate my stop losses based on the formula 3 times the ATR pip value. As I told you, in the majority of the time, the stop loss will not be activated, but sometimes it will protect your account against major price movements. Regarding the take profit, this strategy doesn't use any. You will close the full position once the exit criteria based on the CCI indicator are triggered. Now let's jump to the next part of the video, where I will create a new trading bot with this strategy to backtest it on a large sample. I will code it and I will be right back. The code is ready and my trading bot is all set. As you can see, it respects all the rules of this strategy and enters and exits from every trade in seconds and with high precision. And it also displays every trade on the chart with the respective entry, exit and even stop loss. If you'd like to discover all the things you can perform with this bot and also have access to it, stick around till the end of the video, where I will show you how you can assess this bot starting today. Before that, there is just one more thing we need to do, which is to perform the big backtest I told you about. For that, I will apply this strategy to the 28 most popular forex pairs and to 7 different high market cap cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, Solana, Cardano and Dogecoin. I will use the 5-minute time frame, the data sample corresponding to 2 full months from September to October 2023, which is a good sample size for a scalping strategy. I will use a fixed risk of 2% per trade, and I will download all the trades with the help of my trading bot in order to create a highly professional trading journal with all the stats and ratios about this strategy. I will speed up the backtest, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings to check all the results. Let's get started. As you are seeing at the moment, I am backtesting this strategy in the most efficient and fastest way possible with the help of my trading bot. Every time I click on a new asset, the bot performs the backtest automatically, respecting every rule and constant I define in its menu, and it does that in seconds with the most real and proven results possible. It is a highly powerful tool for those who want to get to the next level in trading, because this type of work cannot be done manually. To know more about my trading bots, check out the description or wait a bit more until the end of the video. And here we have all the results of this scalping strategy from the backtest I have just performed. After analyzing more than 17,000 trades, we can see that in these conditions, the overall win rate of this strategy was about 66.15%, and it produced on just 2 months a net profit of 1,317%. But I will have to stop this analysis right here. Although the results seem wonderful and agree with the theoretical results of this strategy, there is a tiny little piece that we are forgetting to consider, and that can have a huge impact on the performance of this strategy. As you know, I am a big fan of swing and position trading, so in the majority of my strategies, the slippage and commissions don't make a big difference in my stats. But in this case, as we are seeing the results of 17,000 trades, I believe that slippage must be considered. And so, let's go back to TradingView. So, here we have one of the best performing pairs, which was AUD-USD. As you can see, on 467 trades, this strategy got a net profit of 72.76% with a max drawdown a little above 11%. Now, one of the capacities of my bot is the possibility of recalculating the results of any strategy by taking into account slippage and commissions. For that, let's click on the settings button from my bot. When you open it, the first menu you have, it's the inputs, where, as the name implies, you can change some inputs regarding data samples, risk management criteria, indicator settings and functions, ways of exit from trades, among others. Then you can find the properties section where you can recalculate the results with commissions and slippage. Of course, these inputs will depend on the broker you chose to use. But after searching for the best ones, I found out that you can find options where, with this amount of capital, with the average stop losses of this strategy and with a 2% risk per trade, at least you will have $15 of commission per order, and let's also insert a slippage of 3 ticks, because on a scalping trading strategy, the spreads will also have a big impact on its performance. Now let's click on OK and see what happened. And so, as I was expecting, the performance of this strategy changed completely, and not only on this pair, as well on all the others, as you are seeing at the moment. But don't turn off this video right away, because I will repeat the whole backtest considering these commissions and slippage, but this time on the 2-hour time frame, so you can see how the results will change and for better. I will backtest this strategy again with the help of my trading bot, create a new trading journal, and I will be right back. And here we have the results of this mean reversion strategy on the same 35 assets and data sample, but this time on the 2-hour time frame and considering commissions and slippage. After 676 trades, this system achieved a win rate of 66.12% and a net profit of 26.17%, which represents on average a 13% monthly net profit that, although is not even close to 1000%, it still represents an amazing monthly return well above what an average professional trader can achieve. You can pause the video to check other stats, but I will jump to the equity chart, which is not the best one we have had so far in this series, but nevertheless it is a decent one. And for those who think that trading 35 assets is impossible, let me tell you that with a trading bot you can achieve that in a very simple way. And in my opinion and experience, over a long period of time, your results will be more consistent the more assets you use. To conclude this analysis and end this video, I just want to say that this strategy seems to be profitable, but be extra careful to analyze everything before using it on a real trading account. And if you'd like to test it on different assets, timeframes, or with different settings or risk management rules, and in the most efficient and fastest way possible, you can have full access to this trading bot by becoming a subscriber of my Patreon. Depending on the type of tier you choose, you can have access to more than one strategy, access my trading book that teaches you different concepts regarding trading strategies and risk management and everything about my trading bots. You can also have access to my default trading journal with all the formulas and ratios coded, and the cherry of the cake, you can have the opportunity to work directly with me to develop your dream trading strategy. Damn! It is an amazing opportunity that you shouldn't waste. For more information, check out the links on the description. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like to support more content like this, and also to join my free Discord community. Happy trading, thank you, bye bye.